the Sterilis Solutions System.
Hello, my name is Eric Muhlanger and I am a Senior Mechanical Engineer at Sterilis Solutions. The Sterilis Solutions System is an innovative approach to treating regulated medical waste. Everything is dictated through this user interface, which is elegantly designed and icon-based for intuitive use by the customer to manage the process of treating the regulated medical waste. An example is this 2-gallon sharps container. There's no manipulation, no handling of the container. The user will simply put this container into the vessel. I'd like to go through the mechanical process of how we sterilize this load and transition it to the confetti particulate size. We have a sterilization level, which is an autoclave, a grinding processing level, and then a waste collection level at the bottom. The vessel holds 5 gallons of waste. We have 3 pumps, a vacuum pump, a fluid pump, and a compressor. The compressor is to manage all the pneumatic elements on the machine, such as the bottom and top lid, and the fluid pump allows for water to enter the vessel to create the steam, which does the ultimate sterilization of the load. The steam process itself is about 30 to 40 minutes, and it was defined by an exhaustive bio-kill testing program which lasted about 2 months, which used thermocouples and spores to analyze the cold spots in the worst-case fullest loads. Once we define that, we could add margin to ensure that in every case we're getting a full kill of the load. The end result of that is the steam process, at the end of which you've gone to the temperatures and pressures that are necessary. 134 C for at least 30 minutes. At the end of that, you depressure. All the hot steam is returned to the onboard water system. The top and bottom lids then pneumatically open. The load falls by gravity onto the grinder. There's different modes of grinding up materials, in this case a sharps container or a red bag. You either have a pinching motion or a scissoring motion, and the teeth pattern on the grinder has to accommodate both load types. The grinding itself takes between 3 and 10 minutes, 3 minutes for an easy red bag, 10 minutes for a heavy sharps container or a dialyzer load. During that process, the particulate is ending up in the waste drawer. The waste drawer itself has a custom bag in a bus bucket, which will be emptied every run as dictated through the user interface. That bag is custom in that it's short and it has relevant regulatory information printed onto the bag itself. The customer will then simply cinch that bag up and throw it away in the trash, and the process can start again. On the software side, we have a lot of value add as well. This machine is connected to Wi-Fi and it's constantly uploading data to the cloud. From a regulatory standpoint, that's very important. The entire history of this machine, from who loaded the cycle, what type of load was it, how long did it take, the temperatures and pressures that were met, they're all recorded, so that if a regulator were to ask for that information, the customer could access their website-based dashboard, easily print it out with one-click PDF button on the website, and supply that information to the regulator. In parallel with that, on the engineering and serviceability side, we are uploading parametrics of health to the cloud so that we can assess all customer machines and proactively approach a customer if we think a machine is failed, or to assess whether we predict there might be a failure in the future so that they're not down without being able to process loads. Both of those speak to our proactive nature and interaction with the customer to allow them to have better throughput on a daily basis. Again, this is an innovative approach to treating regulated medical waste. Thank you.